Did you know a single network cable can carry enough electricity to run a high-definition TV, a heated security camera, or even a full desktop computer without an AC wall outlet? While older power tech barely squeezed out enough energy for an office phone, the latest standard acts like a high-voltage pipeline for modern tech. But plugging the wrong device into the wrong cable doesn't just mean your gear won't turn on. It could actually cause your wiring inside the wall to overheat. Understanding how these cables differ is the secret to building a faster, safer, and much smarter network. Power over Ethernet Plus, or PoE Plus, or IEEE 802.3 AT delivers both data and power over a single network cable. It supplies up to 30 watts of power from a switch. PoE Plus sends this electrical current using two wire pairs inside the cable. Standard Cat 5e copper cables safely support PoE Plus installations. PoE++ or IEEE 802.3 is the next generation of power over Ethernet falling under. It provides much more energy, offering up to 60 watts, falling under Type 3 or 90 watts falling under Type 4. To carry this extra energy, PoE++ sends power across all four wire pairs inside the cable. Because higher power creates extra heat, thick Cat 6 or Cat 6A copper cables are strongly recommended to ensure reliability and safety. PoE Plus supplies 30 watts at the switch and delivers 25.5 watts to the connected device. In contrast, PoE++ supplies 60 to 90 watts at the switch and delivers up to 71.3 watts to the device. PoE Plus relies on only two wire pairs for power transmission. PoE++ uses all four wire pairs simultaneously. Both standards share a maximum cable distance of 100 meters. A simple office IP phone or basic security camera runs smoothly on PoE+. A large outdoor camera with motorized pan-tilt zoom and built-in glass heaters requires PoE++. Think of PoE+ like a standard garden hose using two channels to power a small lawn sprinkler. Think of PoE++ like a heavy fire hose using four open channels to blast a large volume of water up to a roof. PoE+ powers standard office gear over two wire pairs, while PoE++ pumps high energy through all four pairs for heavy-duty devices. Match your cable to your power needs to keep your network cool, safe, and fast.
Simply click the link below to learn more.